So Instagram keeps flagging and removing your comments, and it says your comment goes against our community guidelines, which may not be true. I know you're angry, but let me clarify some things for you. Now, you know that Instagram is not reviewing anything manually. This is AI that is implemented in Instagram's system. So if Instagram's AI thinks that this is a wrong or offensive comment, then it removes it. Even for us humans, this may not be. For example, you wrote something like, you killed it. For example, the words like kill, die, crazy, follow back, ugly, DM me, all of these words are offensive in the eye of AI. And for example, you simply wrote in a comment that you killed it. Now, according to the humans, this is just an appreciation. But as you use the word killed, that is the reason your comment may get flagged. Instead, you can write, you nailed it. And same is the case with words like crazy and stuff like that. AI gets these words as offensive or wrong. That's why it removes your comment. So be careful with that. But if that is not the reason, then there may be another reason, like you are copy pasting the comments, or you are commenting too fast, means you commented on one post, then you commented on the other one, and then the other one. This sends a signal to Instagram's AI that there may be a bot using this Instagram account. That's why it is posting the comments back and forth. So do not post comments one after the other. Take a break of at least 2 to 3 minutes or possibly 5 minutes. Another reason is you are posting the same comment again and again. For example, you wrote on a comment, great, and you wrote the same thing on the other post and same one on the third one. This thing also gets your comments removed. Please ignore writing the same comments again and again. And if all of those are not the cases, then you may have turned on a VPN. So simply turn off a VPN if you have turned it on, because Instagram does not like someone hiding its identity. So stop using VPN. And if all the things are not in your favor, then the last thing you have to do is open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and search here Instagram. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it and update your Instagram application, as old Instagram libraries may also get outdated and they may also keep removing your simple comments for no reasons. That's why you need to update Instagram. And if Instagram has stopped you from commenting, simply take a break of 24 to 48 hours and come back, and when you'll be here again, Instagram will let you comment again. Meanwhile, you can enjoy commenting and posting from your other Instagram account. Thank you so much.